So, and that brings up a point. Like, what is it like working as a husband and wife team? Like, what's the pros and cons for people who are thinking about jumping into a business/personal relationship?
It is very challenging, I must say. It's very challenging. Like, we learned in the first year who was going to do what, because we were just trying to find out what to do in the business as well. Like, what did we like on the business too? And we were like, like stepping on each other a lot, I would feel.
I know.
After we define our roles, yeah, it's been way easier. But what it is very hard though is to separate work from relationship. That's definitely a challenge that we've had, like, after all these years still. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think your strategy of turning it off on weekends and turning it off after a certain time every single day has just been huge.
Yeah.
Those first few weeks, it'd be like, we go to bed, turn the lights off, I roll over, hey, did you remember to buy that today at Home Depot? That was our conversation the first year. Very romantic.
Yeah.
Good newlywed conversation.
But at the same time, it's like, it's nice. You can escalate very quickly because you're both in the same page. You're with your partner, with someone you trust, absolutely trust, which that's a big deal. Like, if both of you are rowing the same direction, they're faster,
Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely. Yeah. I used to work with husband and wife. They were my partners in my previous business, in my flipping business. And they said the exact same thing. It's like, you can never just go out to dinner and, talk about your day. It's always like, what did this contractor do today? And did you follow up on that? So I think that's smart to have those intentional sort of guideposts in place to make sure it doesn't get out of control. So
sure. Yeah.
Hey, if you got value out of this segment of the interview with Stan and Dana, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and you'll be notified when other videos similar to this come out. This is a husband and wife team that has built an incredible portfolio. They've had a ton of success just in the last couple of years. And, maybe you're an investor who wants to get your spouse on board. They offer some really great advice in the rest of this interview. You can listen to the full interview on any podcast player. Just search Living Off Rentals Podcast and share it with your spouse. Share it with somebody else who might want to get their spouse on board or is investing as a husband and wife team. Also, you can go to the Living Off Rentals Facebook page, or the Facebook group, I should say, and join the Living Off Rentals Facebook group. There's a lot of great rental property investors that hang out there. Stan and Dana are members there, so you can ask them any questions you had about this interview or about anything else they talked about. Hope to see you in the next video.